What's going on, guys? Just wanted to show you the new T-Rex engine sliders and case sliders or savers, whatever you want to call them. These are the new anodized aluminum in the middle here. I guess they're putting that in there for even more strength now. If you see online, they actually look silver aluminum in the pictures, but I guess now they're doing the middle piece anodized, which looks sweet. And they're talking about different colors as well coming, so that'll be pretty cool. But yeah, I got the front and rear wheel sliders and the engine sliders. Just wanted to show you these really quick. So I should be good to go now. I'm hoping to not have to use these ever, of course, but they are there just in case. Also, quick shifter is on. Works amazing. And then I just ordered a rear black sprocket because I cannot stand the look of the silver. I just have no idea why Yamaha changed that up. I think 14 through 16 they had the black, and then for whatever reason 17 and above they started to go back to the silver, like the mt-07, which annoys me. But anyways, looking at some rear sets, not sure exactly what I'm going to do there, but my next thing is going to be the bars. I got some black bars. What I do is I get the XSR 900 bars, which are the same exact bars as these, which I happen to like the bend and the height and all that, but they're black. And what's nice about those is everything's pre-drilled. All the little points for the to set your controls are already there, so it's literally just changing them out, putting some new grips on, and then you're done, which I love. These are also the new Spec tank pads. They're just a little bit different. The pattern is roughly the same, but they're a little bit more spread apart. I think they're calling the molded. So they do stick a lot better, and I noticed they lay down much easier. They conform to the tank and the bike. This is a little different from the old one. This is about the same size, and these are just a little bit bigger. So, you know, every once in a while I'd have one of the Spec tank pads pop up just a little bit, which is super annoying to me, especially if you're washing it or you get a little dirt under it or something like that. But I've had these on for almost a week and nothing has come up. They've been perfect. They seem to be a lot better. So anyways, guys, that's it. Just want to give you a quick update as I go along here. Those are the newest mods, the T-Rex. I definitely recommend them. I've had them on all 4 of my FZ09/MT09s. So, and thankfully I've never had to test them, but I know a couple of guys that have, and they turned out amazing. It's really saved the bike. So my thing is, look, if I accidentally drop this bike and it fell over in this garage, it's gonna really suck. And it's not like, I like stuff perfect. And if I drop this bike, I want to get rid of it. That's just how I am. I know it's weird, but that's how I am. So if I drop it now, I know it's going to be okay for the most part. If you have a scratch on the frame or something like that, that's just something you really can't do anything with. And it's not like insurance is going to total it out because you've got a scratch on your frame. You just got to deal with it and live with it and look at it every day. And I hate that. So if I really, screw up the bike and it goes down the road bad and it destroys the thing, well then, yeah, insurance is going to take care of it and total it out. I don't want it anyways. But I think at a low, speed, I mean, hell, probably even high speed, some guys have crashed these pretty good with these sliders on there and it's been fine. Very minimal damage. I'm okay with that too. I just don't want a bike that I've got all these scratches all over the frame that I can't really fix, and that would suck. And then I gotta look at it every day. Yeah, that's not me. That's not for me. So these are great. Hopefully, and I never want to try them, but if I, do, they're there. If it falls over, something like that weird happens, I have full confidence, 100% confidence that these will save the bike. So, or at least minimal damage to where I can just change it a couple little plastics or things like that. Just don't want the frame scratched. So, all right, guys, rambling on now. See ya.